Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets, and today I'm going to review the Outlier or the Creative Outlier Air version 2. So these are true wireless, sweat-proof in-ear with touch controls. I'm going to talk about how they work, how they function. This SX-FI ready as well, give you an idea what that's about. Sound quality, call quality, connections, you name it. I'm going to talk through everything. So if you look down here, it tells you all about the sort of multi-room, it's sort of like a surround sound, but it's their Creative's own version, which they use on some of their gaming headsets. These do have Bluetooth 5, aptX, AAC. They have touch controls, which work really well. The key thing here is that you've got a total of 34 hours playtime, 12 hours per when you do a charge. It gives you 12 hours on the actual buds themselves. It's IPX5 sweat proof, and obviously you can work with Google Assistant and stuff like that. So let's take a look at these. Now I have actually opened the box already, and it shows you the first time pairing, what to do, but we've done all that. So when you first get these, the buds themselves are out of the box here. I've obviously put them in here, and I'll show you what else you get in here before we take a look at the buds themselves. So you have the instructions here that tell you first to download the SX-FI app and register. I don't think you need to really do this, because if you're only going to use, that's for the headphone holography side of things, and it only works on local stored music. So I don't think you actually need to do that, but it's there if you want to, and it shows you how that all works. And it creates a personal profile. You've also got the quick start guide, which is on the quick start guide. It shows you that the charging case. So on this end here, you have the charging case, and it shows you the left and right buds. The case is the light in the middle. It's got USB-C charging port. Shows you what the difference there are. Gives you an idea of percentages as well in terms of charging, and very, very handy. In terms of some of the other specs, these are 5.6mm graphene enhanced drivers, frequency response 20 to 20,000 hertz. The mics on here are omnidirectional, there's 2 of them, and obviously it's USB-C with Bluetooth 5. You've got the A2DP wireless stereo Bluetooth, AVR-CP as well for Bluetooth remote control, and the HFP hands-free profile. The wireless range is up to 10 meters, so that's not too bad, and some other bits and pieces there. Total playtime is 34 hours, takes 2 to 3 hours to recharge them, and you've got aptX, AAC, and SBC. Now on the touch controls, you can do your playback mode, play, pause, skip tracks, rewind tracks, pause music, and then you can do the Google Assistants. You've got your call mode as well, so you can take calls, answer calls, and you can turn off the buds manually as well, so it shows you how to do that. That's quite neat. Anyway, let's take a look closely at the buds and talk about sound quality. So the buds themselves come in this really nice magnetic style case for the buds, so they literally just drop in, they're magnetic. If you take a closer look, you can see they're clearly color coded as well, right and left on here. They have the Creative logo on the sides, and then you have your touch controls as such. In terms of fit, these fit nice. I had no trouble. These are the standard buds that came with them. I quite like this style of bud, and they fitted really well into my ears, very comfortable. Could wear this quite some time. And this case is sort of it's actually plastic. It feels sometimes like metal, but I'm sure maybe part is, but it is a bit plastic and some metal maybe. But I do like how it's got the SX-FI ready. I did try that. I don't personally think it works. It works well, but I think I'll talk about sound quality in a second. But I think why you buy these is its actual sound quality. If you do download the app, you can actually adjust. There's an equalizer, and you can adjust the equalizer on these, and they do hold. So if you change the device, that equalizer setting does hold. So we'll talk about sound quality now. So in terms of sound quality, the first thing to note is that call quality is okay. Not the best I've heard, but it was okay. And for the price, it's pretty good, to be honest. Then if we talk about sound quality, I did have to adjust the equalizer. And what I love about them is that you do have that equalizer and you can adjust the bass and the treble. And my word, when you crank that bass up, the bass on these is fantastic, astonishing, really quite amazing. The treble and mid-range is okay. So you've got, and again, you can customize that using the EQ, and that's, you know, if you haven't got buds that can do that, that does make a lot of difference. And you've got, you know, sort of reasonable mids. So vocals sound good, treble sounds okay, you know, just a non-offensive, but if you want that extra bass, you've got it. If you want that sort of cinematic surround sound, sort of gaming SXFI stuff, you can do that, but again, that's only on, as far as I understand, on locally stored music. It's a shame that it's at the moment only on the locally stored music. I say, quite a nice design, having a case like this, where you literally just drop them in. And slides across. And here you can see the lights. So all in all, for the money, these are quite nice. It's a nice strong case. You're not going to, you know, the good thing about this, put this in your pocket and you're not going to actually crush them or anything. So if you've got any questions on these, give me a shout. This is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Take care, guys, and catch you guys soon. Bye for now.